Good day, everyone. My assigned topic is all about conceptualizing home and household. But before that, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Alin L. Molo from Bintahon, Esperanza, Agusan del Sur. I am 39 years old, single, currently hired as senior high school teacher 1 of Duwangan National High School from 2022 up to present. I finished the degree course Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Technology and Livelihood Education at Agusan del Sur State College of Agriculture and Technology, Bunawan, Agusan del Sur. Family and household. What is the difference between family and household? Family is a group of people affiliated either by consanguinity, affinity, or co-residence, while household is composed of one or more people who occupy a housing unit. Not all households contain families. Types of households: family households, non family households, and one person household. Family household consists of two or more individuals who are related by birth, marriage, or adoption, although they also may include other unrelated people. Spouse, husband, and wife is a person married to and living with householder. People in formal marriages as well as people in common law marriages are included. Next, child. A child is a son or daughter by birth or a stepchild or an adopted child of the householder, regardless of the child's age or marital status. The category includes son-in-law, daughter-in-law, and foster children. Other relatives include any household member related to the householder by birth, marriage, or adoption, but not included specifically in another relationship category. Grandchild, brother, sister of the householder, parent, father, mother of the householder, parent in law, step parent of the householder, and the last one, son in law, daughter in law. Non-family household consists of people who live alone or who share their residence with unrelated individuals. Another types of non-related household: roomer, boarder, housemate or roommate, unmarried partner, and foster child. One-person household, defined as an arrangement in which one person makes provision for his or her own food or other essentials for living without combining with any other person to form part of a multi-person household. Types of families. Nuclear family. Family with both parents and children. This is seen as a traditional family. Nuclear family benefits. Both of parents under the same roof, support and stability, sharing responsibilities, don't have to deal with negative effects of divorce, can have a relationship with both parents. Nuclear family, also family with both parents and children, this is seen as the traditional family. Single parent family, a family with one adult who is raising a child or children due to divorce, death, or never had been married. We have also benefits of single parent family. Strong bond with parent, don't have to worry about parents fighting in the house. Children learn responsibility, become independent, and often mature faster. So we have challenges of single parent family. The one parents may have worked long hours, less money, only one income, less supervision for kids, stress one parent or children, difficult going back and forth between homes, different expectation, and etc. Next types of families, we have blended family. Two families joined together, usually by remarriage after divorce or death of a spouse. One or both they may have children. So we have benefits and challenges. So the benefits of blended family, more people around to share the course. More going More going on, you have both a mom and a dad under the same roof, possibly better financially. So that's the benefits. So the challenges, hard to adjusting to a new parent, disciplined by step parent, hard to get to new sibling rivalry, hard to bond as a new family. So these are the example of blended family. Next types of families, extended family. A family with several generations living together more than just mom, dad, children. This family could include grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins. So the benefits of extended family, more adult role models, more people to help out around the house, bonding with more family members, and the last one, activities going on. So the challenges are less privacy, space, crowded, lots of sharing, confusion about who is the child's rules, could be a financial strain. Next, adoptive family. A family with adult and child not blood related but legally bound. Adoptive family benefits. Cool to learn about different culture if child is from different culture. Possibly child is rescued from foster care. A child is chosen is wanted. And challenges of adoptive family, expensive to adopt. Child may wonder about past, family of origin, culture, and etc. Child may have hurts associated with family or origin. Next types of families, childless family. A family with married couple without kids. Benefits of childless family. No expense of children, more freedom to do what couple wants, travel, etc. Work on personal goals, more time for hobbies and interests. While the challenges, work can become all-consuming, may have conflict if one wants children and the other doesn't. Stress associated with fertility issue if wanted kids but unable. These are the reference of my presentation. Thank you and God bless us all. Thank you for watching and listening.